Well, good morning, and what we're going to do today at the Rusty Glove Box, we're going to start putting the Rat Rod Lakester back together, and going to start with the fuel lines and brake lines, and we'll put the engine back in. And after we get all that done and get everything hooked up that can be hooked up with the body off, then we'll start putting the body and the bed on. So we'll see how this goes. Well, we got quite a bit done today. Got the engine in, radiator in, cooling fan, drive shaft, fuel lines, brake lines, battery cable. Got all that put in, and so I think we're going to call it a day on this project. We've got to get ready for the car show that's coming up this afternoon. So anyway, this Rusty Glove Box, thanks for watching, and I'm out of here.